Open. Does that make sense? Absolutely. So you're going to bid the curve at the Frankfurt London Open for a 2s, 5s steepener. If you're going to bid the 2s, 5s steepener at the Frankfurt London Open, you're probably going to be expecting to see some dollar strength. If you're going to be expecting some dollar strength, you'd expect to see the euro dollar starting to sell, blah, 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 and everything else that falls in behind that story. So when we see the 2s, 5s buying off these low prints at 7 o'clock this morning, 7 hours after the tweet went out, you'll already be able to recognize we're bidding the bottom lines. Well, there's a bottom line, guys. It's a pink line at a bottom. Surprisingly enough, that's called a bottom line. And when you see that, you'll start to recognize the 5-year inflation break-evens and the 5s, 10s suggest that the Fed can afford to run up rates a little bit higher. With the higher oil prints and the higher equity prints, this seems to make a very, very strong case for higher 2s, 5s. Well, that's what we traded. We sold some bonds this morning at 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. We sold some bonds. We made $1,000 per contract on the short bond trade this morning. And we made an absolute killing on it. We cleared up on that trade. We cleared up on that bit of curve information that we had from last night's classroom or last night's tweet. Trade of the morning session, however, actually goes to the metals, not the normal metals, the silver. Trade of the morning, guys. Top of the morning to you. Trade of the morning went to the silver bugs. Went to the silver bugs. Okay, so where's the silver bugs? What were they doing? Well, let's take a look at this, guys. So we were obviously selling bonds. Well, there's the bond in green. If we're selling bonds, we would be obviously expecting to sell euros. There's the euro in orange. So you're selling bonds in green. You're selling euros in orange. And obviously, if you're a gold bug, you're obviously going to be trying to sell gold. There's gold at 9 o'clock, top of the hour. There's gold again, 9:30, bottom of the hour. Perfect, 2 perfect trades, 2 big increases in volume in gold, and 2 very, very big outcomes. Sell side gold, 1804s, traded a low price, guys, 1790s, $1,400 of sell side profits on the short gold trade. Unbelievable, absolutely. But look at the silver. I mean, the gold's already sold off a little bit. It's still got a premium against the bonds and against the euro dollar. But look at the silver. What the hell is that? What the hell is that, guys? Silver's at top edges. It's not on any discount. So in other words, the London metals guys have ran silver higher to get liquidity, to run higher to get very, very skinny liquidity into a silver market. And that's your opportunity. That's your opportunity to get your short silver trade on. And you see that grey line? Look at that sell-off, guys. That is nuts. That is just crazy nuts, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. What a trade. What a trade. So, beautiful outcomes. Lovely trades. Crazy good sell-side business on the gold markets. Sell-side business on the bonds. Sell-side business on the silver. Silver, the best of the bunch. And that's saying something considering we made $1,000 per contract on the bond and we made $1,400 per contract on the short gold as well. And silver's the best of the bunch. Unbelievable. But hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. That's the way it goes sometimes, guys. So we've had a crazy good morning. We'll try and pick up the crazy good afternoon on oil this afternoon. So we'll certainly bring that back to play this afternoon. We'll have another look at that, and then we'll obviously start focusing on drilling down into certain markets at certain times of the day to try and capture the best of the best. And let's see how we get on with that. Let's see how we get on with that bit of business. Oil was a bit of a top edge sell eventually. 75s coming in on the short side if you took it, like your style, 75 top edge oil. Not quite the perfect diamond, but not far off it. Not quite the perfect diamond, but not far off it with regard to your crack spread skew. Okay, looking for a stop run now on oil. We got a very nice little quick profit there off the 75. We got down to a low price of 70 for 5 ticks. That gave us a very easy stop at break even, and we have been scratched at break even plus 2 on that trade. So I am going to be trying for a top edge squeeze, and then we'll look for a lean, and we will mash this up big style.